Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix slow startup in Windows in a very simple way. What you can do, first you can simply come over into your taskbar over here, click on that, and then you will get an option called Task Manager. You can see your Task Manager is open. If you don't want to open it from the taskbar, you can simply come over into your start icon, click on the right mouse button, and then you will find the option called Task Manager. After that, you can see if you come over this hamburger option, you will get bunch of option over here called process, performance, app history, startup apps. So for now, I will go for the startup apps and it will open the startup apps options over here. You can see there are lots of apps that are enabled when the computer will be open. So how you going to disable them? I will going to disable these blue stacks. Click on the right mouse button and then click on disable. And now it will be disabled. Make sure security health tray or any of Windows security system will not be disabled. That will cause problem for your computer. I will also going to turn off any other apps that are not needed to start up automatically. After that, just close it, and now we will going for the second step. Come over into your search option and going to search for msconfig. Click enter. It will open system configuration, and here we just need to go for the boot system, and then we need to go for advanced option over here. If you click on that, then you'll get an option called boot advanced option. Now you just need to click on this number of processors. You can see I have only one, so if you just click on that, I have 16 of processors, 16 numbers of processors over here. So I will going to maximize it and then click OK, click apply and OK. And now they will be recommended to restart your PC. So I will not restarting now because I have another to show you that will fix the slow startup in your Windows. So for that, I will go for the search option and going to search for power cfg.cpl and then click enter. It will open power options over here, and now we will go for choose what the power buttons do. If you click on that, then you'll find the option called turn on start fast startup. So what will happen, that you can see that those are the grayed out. So how you going to turn them on? Simply come over into this setting called change settings that are currently unavailable. So if you click on that, then you will find the option called turn on fast startup. After that, click on save changes, and now if we close it, and now if we go for Windows startup icon, go for this power button, and then you'll find the option over here. So this is how you can fix the slow startup in Windows. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.